Hello, today I will show you how to easily fix the crackling volume control on a Sennheiser headset, when one side is not working or changing the volume causes a crackling sound. Since it's quite difficult to find a replacement volume control board, I will show you how to disconnect and bypass the volume potentiometer. The headset will then work at maximum volume and you will control the volume just like with any other headphones without a built-in volume control, just by adjusting the sound on your PC, gaming console, phone or tablet. The first step is to remove the AirPod cushion on the volume control side. The pad is held onto the headphone housing by small plastic clip. Next, unscrew all the small screws to access the volume control board and open the housing. The headphone volume is changed by adjusting resistance on the ground wires, so simply unsolder the ground wire, gold-colored wire, and the left side speaker wire, green-colored wire, then solder them together to the air contact. In this way, the volume potentiometer is bypassed, and rotating the volume control will not longer affect the headphone sound. Then reassemble the headphone housing, put the AirPod cushion back on, and you will have your headset working again. If you have any questions while watching this video, feel free to write them in the comments below. Now, let's get back to gaming.